We are going to talk about place value today and how place value can help us in understanding our numbers. So our place values we talk about are ones, tens, and hundreds. And in third grade, we do eventually talk about thousands, which come here with a comma. Thousands, but today we're going to hold off. So it's going to, whoop, and we're only going to talk about ones, tens, and hundreds. Now, if I have this number, 364, that means I have 3 of these 100 blocks. It will mean I have 6 of the 10 rods, and I have 4 of the 1 cubes, right? So I have 3 hundreds, 6 tens, and 4 ones. So we've talked about base 10 form or model form, and today you are going to do a new form. You are going to do expanded form. Expanded form is just like when you take a Slinky and you go shoop, and you stretch it out and you make it nice and big. Expanded form shows you the value of each digit. So between each place value, I'm going to put a plus sign. All right, some of you might be clicking your head, oh, I remember this. Oh, I'm ready. So if I am going to expand this out, this digit right here, 3. This digit 3 is worth 300. Okay, this digit here, 6. This 6 is worth 6 tens. I can go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And this digit 4 is worth 4 ones. So the expanded form of my number is 300 plus 60 plus 4. Expanded form is just taking a number and stretching it out nice and big so you can see the value of each digit. Expanded form is really helpful when you're adding or subtracting numbers that can be kind of tricky. It's helpful when you're multiplying numbers if you need to break it down and really look at what number is getting multiplied by what. And then place value, we call it expanded form because you pull it out, you look at it, you always have plus signs, and it always equals your original digits. We're going to continue looking at the value of each digit so you can write the number in expanded form. So I was just showing you on the whiteboard, and now I'm going to do a few more examples before I send you on to your assignment. So if we look at this number, we have it, we can say 597. And I wrote down our little place value spots, and it might be helpful if you put like a H for 100, a T for 10, and a 0 for, or an O for 1 so you know what spot you're looking at. We have our hundreds, tens, and ones. So I'm going to say this number again out loud, 597. So I look at this spot. I have 500. I look at my tens. I have 9 of them. So 9 tens, that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 9 tens is 90. And then I have 7 ones. So expanded form of this is 500 plus 90 plus 7 equals 597. We're going to do another one. So we are going to look at 261. So my hundreds, my tens, my ones, my hundreds, my tens, my ones. I have 200s. Now I can't just write a 2 there because it is worth 200, not just 2. Next, I did that one. Now I'm going to do my 10 spot. I have 6 tens. I know 6 tens is 60. I'm done. And in my ones, I just have 1. So 200 plus 60 plus 1 equals 261. Last one, 107. So in my hundreds, I have a 1. In my tens, I have a 0. And in my ones, I have a 7. So this might get a little tricky. Let's look at it. We have hundreds, tens, ones. In my hundreds, I have 100, so I'd have just one flat. So I'm going to write 100. In my tens, I have 0 tens. So I can't leave this blank, so I need to put a 0 because there's 0 tens. And in my 1 spot, I have a 7. That is 7 ones. So 100 plus 0 plus 7 is 107. And you can even check that if you want by doing 100 plus 7. Bringing down the 0. There you go. They both are equal. So today, you're going to go to your assignment on Canvas. Remember, that is what Canvas looks like. And under the Assignments tab, you can look in the Assignments tab, or you can look on the daily checklist. You are going to go to where it says Expanded Form, Tuesday, 8/17. And then, if you look over here, you can see your assignment. And you are going to use the drawing tool, which is right up here in the corner. You guys have used it before, to fill out the rest of these problems. So there's 10 problems you're going to work on. You're going to work on stretching those numbers and make sure you submit it when you are done. Stuck around. I'm going to choose the yellow highlighter option on Canvas. Choose any box you want. Highlight it either around it or the whole inside. And I will give you 1 bonus point for watching the whole video.